Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru. Again, hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to hide your online status on Telegram app. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now, to hide your online status on your Telegram, let's open up our Telegram app first. And after opening your Telegram app, you can see the three line icon on the top left corner of your screen. Tap on the three line icon like this, and after that you can see the settings icon available over here. Tap on settings, and after getting on this interface, you can see the privacy and security option available over here, just on the category settings below the notifications and sound. Tap on privacy and security like this, and after that you can see the last seen and online option available over here just below the phone number. Tap on last seen and online option like this, and after that you can see currently who can see my last seen time over here and last seen and online. And if you want nobody to find out your last seen or your online time, tap on nobody, and after that you can see the tick mark appear on the top right corner of your screen. Tap over there, and nobody will be able to know your active status, or this is how you hide your active status on Telegram app. And there guys, if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.